Hey guys, this is Alphation Auto. As you can see, this is Q7. You can see the engine is out, totally out, and there's a big engine, 8-cylinder engine. You can see a very big engine. It has come for overhauling, and within 7-8 days, I will get this car fixed. A very big engine. So this is what I was trying to say. Then we can have this, as you can see here. We have this Safari, only the body. You can see there's no chassis there. So we are replacing the body. We have pulled on the body separate and chassis separate, and we'll be fixing the new body shell. Yeah, this is the one. And now when you see here, let me take you here. It's a ML 350. This is Mercedes. It's come for complete full comprehensive service. They are doing the comprehensive service. If I have to take you here, we have this. See, as you can see, this vehicle. This vehicle GL 350 CDI has come for electrical and electronic issues from last 2 days. People are working on this vehicle. You can see here. So finally they have diagnosed the issues and they have traced the issues and they have fixed it. And now they are putting everything back, and this car will be ready to be delivered tomorrow. You can see here we have again ML 350. This vehicle has come for aromatic suspension issue, which we have replaced, and it is good now. So after washing it will be delivered today. And here you can see here a comprehensive Mercedes C class. Yeah, okay, it's C class. It has come for ABS module, so we'll be checking the ABS module. If required, we'll repair it or replace it. So this is what we say, if there is any issue in your high-end vehicles, please feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.